The SR-71 Blackbird. A machine that shattered records, outran missiles, and redefined the limits of aviation. Capable of cruising at over Mach 3 and soaring above 85,000 feet, the Blackbird was more than just an aircraft, it was a legend. Yet, despite its unmatched performance, the SR-71 was retired in 1998, and it was never truly replaced. Why do you think? History and context. To understand why the SR-71 existed, we need to go back to the Cold War. The United States needed a way to gather intelligence deep inside the Soviet Union, fast, precise, and untouchable. U-2 spy planes had already proven useful. But after the infamous Gary Powers incident in 1960, the CIA needed something invulnerable to surface-to-air missiles. The answer was Lockheed's Skunk Works program, led by the legendary Kelly Johnson. And in 1966, the SR-71 Blackbird entered service. Technical marvel. The SR-71 was unlike anything the world had ever seen. Built largely from titanium, the Blackbird's body could withstand temperatures above 500 degrees Celsius. Its unique design minimized radar signature, making it one of the first aircraft with stealth features. Powered by Pratt & Whitney J58 engines, the SR-71 could accelerate while flying at Mach 3. That is a feat no other jet has matched to this day. But with this speed came challenges. At Mach 3, friction heated the jet so much that parts of the fuselage expanded several inches in flight. This is why the Blackbird was infamous for leaking fuel on the ground. The tanks only sealed properly once the aircraft was heated in the sky.
Continuous afterburner, which is very unusual for an aircraft because of the heat issue.
Missions and legacy. In service, the SR-71 completed thousands of reconnaissance missions over hostile territories. Soviet radar could see it, but nothing could touch it. Over 4,000 missiles were fired at the SR-71, and not a single one ever made contact. It was so fast that pilots often joked, if you see a missile launch, just push the throttle forward. The Blackbird's motto said it all: I have yet to meet a pilot who would trade his seat in the SR-71 for any other aircraft in the world. Why it was retired. So, if the SR-71 was untouchable, why was it retired? The reasons were complex. First, cost. Each hour of flight required tens of thousands of dollars in fuel, maintenance, and support. Specialized tankers were needed to refuel the aircraft mid-air with JP-7, a unique fuel developed just for the Blackbird. Second, politics. By the 1990s, satellites had taken over much of the SR-71's reconnaissance role, providing global coverage without risking pilots. Drones also emerged as cheaper, more versatile alternatives. Finally, reliability. The SR-71 was never easy to maintain. Its engines needed constant overhauls, and the aircraft required enormous logistical support. In short, the Blackbird was brilliant, but it was expensive brilliance. Why it was never replaced. But here's the real question: why has no direct successor ever taken its place? The truth is, replacing the SR-71 is almost impossible. No other manned aircraft has reached its combination of speed, altitude, and survivability. Modern satellites can see everything from space. Stealth drones like the RQ-170 can penetrate defended airspace. And hypersonic missiles are pushing past Mach 5. In a way, the SR-71's retirement symbolized the end of an era. Technology had moved beyond the need for a crude spy plane flying 3 times the speed of sound. Instead, intelligence gathering shifted to space, cyberspace, and unmanned systems. Legacy and modern impact. Still, the SR-71's influence is everywhere. Its lessons in aerodynamics, materials science, and stealth shaped modern aircraft like the F-22 Raptor, F-35 Lightning II, and even the upcoming B-21 Raider. Lockheed Martin has teased concepts like the SR-72, a hypersonic drone that could one day inherit the Blackbird's mantle. But until then, the SR-71 remains the unmatched champion of the skies. Conclusion. The Blackbird was more than a spy plane. It was a symbol of human ambition, ingenuity, and the race for technological dominance. And even decades after retirement, it still holds a record that no other aircraft has broken. The SR-71 was never replaced, because nothing else could.